Väga tuliseks kiskunud oksjon lõppes pärast 45-minutilist pakkumiste laviini. Algselt eeldasid oksjonimaja esindajad, et visand müüakse $1,5 kuni $2 miljoni, ent 45 minuti jooksul keris visandi hind läbi pakkumiste aina kõrgemale ja kõrgemale.
The drawing by Michelangelo is very significant because it is a work by one of the most important artists of all times, and is also even more important because it's connected to his most important and famous work, the decoration of the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican.
Michelangelo, kes esindab äärmuslikul viisil kõrgrenessansile tüüpilist usku, kunstiväärtuste ja kunstniku erilisusse, tegi parema jala visandi katsetusena Liibüa Sibülli jaoks. See võis olla 1510. aasta kanti, kui ta valmistas ette detaile Vatikanis asuva Sixtuse kabeli laemaali jaoks. Liibüa Sibüll on üks kujutismaalil.
Very revealing was also comparing this drawing to other drawings by Michelangelo, in particular one that is here in New York at the Metropolitan Museum. And when I put the two next to each other, it was really, I really understood that they were made at the same time by the same hand, and so it was really exciting.
Rekordhinnaga müüdud visand on ligi 13 sentimeetrit kõrge ning joonistatud punase kriidiga. Visand jõudis oksjonimajani ja Damiani silmade ette möödunud aastal, kui see esitati läbi veebilehe tasuta hindamiseks.
Drawings of that time are not very common, but especially drawings by Michelangelo are extremely rare.